Hey everyone, if you've ever noticed your A.O. Smith water heater suddenly stop producing hot water, the reset button is often the key to fixing it. This reset button is a built-in safety feature designed to protect your home by shutting the heater down if the water temperature gets too high. It's part of the high limit safety system, sometimes called the ECO, which prevents overheating, tank damage, and scalding risks. The location of the reset button depends on the type of A.O. Smith water heater you have. On electric models, the reset button is usually a small red button hidden behind an access panel near the thermostat. You'll need to remove the panel to see it. On gas models, the reset function is typically integrated into or located near the gas control valve and ignition assembly. Before resetting, safety comes first. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker for electric models. Once you've located the button, press it firmly until you feel or hear a click. That click means the safety system has been reset. Restore power, then wait about 30 to 60 minutes for the water to heat up and test a hot water tap. If the reset button keeps tripping, that's a warning sign. It usually points to issues like a faulty thermostat, bad heating element, wiring problems, or overheating caused by sediment buildup. Regular maintenance, like flushing the tank once a year, can help prevent these problems. If the issue continues, it's best to contact a qualified technician.